The more relaxed you are before you begin your nighttime routine, the more successful you will be. An hour before going to bed, it's a good idea to reduce any type of external stimulation that could be causing your mind and body to remain overly alert. Avoid watching television since watching television keeps your senses active. If you find yourself unable or reluctant to give up that last hour of television, try to choose programming that is more relaxing rather than violent and action-filled. Never watch television in your bedroom. Your mind and body need to separate the event of sleeping from the action of watching television. Do not exercise 2 to 3 hours before bed. This was discussed and stressed in a previous video and bears mentioning again. Exercise will increase your body flow and heart rate, thus awakening your mind and body. This is the opposite of what you are trying to accomplish. Reserve exercise for the earlier part of the day to ensure that you get the most out of your physical routine. Try to avoid going to bed immediately after you have been out for the evening. Your mind will be stimulated from outside events, and you may find it difficult to relax sufficiently enough to complete your nighttime routine. As you work through the remedies in this video to reach your goal of healthy sleeping, you may find it necessary to adjust your evening hours so that you are returning home with plenty of time to complete the bedtime routine you have designed for yourself. Light reading may be included in your nighttime routine, especially if you find that reading makes you drowsy. Avoid reading anything too stimulating, such as work-related material or textbooks. This will be a personal preference, and over time, you will discover what catapults your mind into a state of relaxation and what increases your thinking activity. Make note that you don't want to fall asleep in bed with the light on. This will likely cause you to waken at some point during the night, effectively sabotaging your efforts to establish your sleep routine. The goal of this video is to find an equal balance in your life between relaxation and stimulation. The easier and faster that you can relax in the evening, the more stressful you will be when it comes to falling asleep naturally. Along with external stimulants, there are several internal stimulants that you should try to avoid. The following foods and beverages contain caffeine, sugars, and chemicals that may affect the way you relax, think, and feel. This does not mean that you have to eliminate these substances from your diet entirely. It only means that you should avoid them in the evenings after your last meal of the day. Caffeine affects everyone differently, but is generally considered a stimulant that increases your heart rate and wakens your mind and body. Try to have your last beverage that contains caffeine at least 3 to 4 hours before bed. Caffeine can be found in drinks other than coffee. This includes colas, non-herbal teas, and chocolate drinks. Chocolate contains both caffeine and enormous amounts of sugar. Your body reacts to sugar much as it does to caffeine. It stimulates your body and mind for a short period of time. Try to avoid chocolate in any form at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Soda drinks contain huge amount of sugar, and colas have the added impact of caffeine. The carbonation of pop drinks can cause bloating and stomach gas, which can create discomfort. Try to eliminate soda beverage from your evening diet. Alcohol beverages should be avoided before bed. Alcohol may make you drowsy and cause you to fall asleep easily. However, you may find yourself waking during the night, feeling dehydrated, and have difficulty falling asleep again. Although an evening glass of wine may relax you, it is not something you want to become dependent upon as a sleep aid. This could lead to a reliance on alcohol to signal your body that it is time for sleep, thus leading you to addiction. Smoking can signal your body to wake during the night as your body's need for nicotine increases toward the morning hours. If at all possible, try to reduce the amount you smoke before bed. Your goal is not only to fall asleep naturally, but also to remain asleep for the entire night. You can find more useful information about the eye mask and other great ways to improve your sleep and health by checking out our eye mask website at www.eyemaskforsleep.com now.